What's going on, Trader Studio? Wanted to make a different type of video today, as you can tell by the title, how I made $591 trading today. It is currently 10:04 in the morning. I'm here at the park on a nice walk. But I wanted to bring you guys a different style video. This is a live trade that you're gonna see in our Discord group. Took it all live. It is 150K. We've been fully transparent. It's 150K combine account. It is not a funded account. I'm trying to pass this as quickly as I can. I did get in as our normal breakout strategy trade with three minis. So I took it really quickly. Took some partials very quickly and went break even. It was a fantastic day. These are my favorite days. So enjoy the video, guys. Thanks for watching. It's probably going up, oh.
Don't eat that.
Order filled.
Taking it.
Order filled.
Taking two off, break even. Boom.
Actually?
Yeah.
Okay.
I took three. I'm gonna be just do 3 hundo. Break even.
How many lots do you use? Damn. Oh, you're doing 150. So
3 micros.
Order filled.